Hi Scholar, hope you are having a great day. Welcome to Post Scholars channel. So if you are preparing for WAEC exam, NECO exam, JAMB exam or any other college exam, be rest assured that this video is for you. Now in today's video, I will teach you how to solve polygon problem involving line of symmetry. Have you seen this kind of question before? If you haven't, now listen up so that you understand how to solve it whenever you see it. The question says, in the diagram, the dotted line is the axis of symmetry. Find the value of x. Now here's the dotted line, right? The issue now is if you don't know the meaning of axis of symmetry, take note, axis of symmetry is also known as line of symmetry. Now, if you don't know the concept, it will be difficult for you to solve this problem. So let's explain the concept of axis of symmetry. Now, here's a rectangle. How many lines of symmetry does this rectangle have? Okay, you can say it in your mind or you can drop it in the comments. First of all, a line of symmetry is an imaginary line that cuts a shape into two equal parts, right? So for this rectangle, here's the first line of symmetry, a vertical line. Here's another line of symmetry, an horizontal line. You can see it bisects the rectangle into this part and this part, right? Then can you see another line of symmetry? Okay, if you can't, it's a diagonal and it's running like this, right? There's another line of symmetry. You can see this particular one bisects the rectangle into this part and this part, right? There's another line of symmetry, another diagonal running from here, right? Good. Is there another line of symmetry? No, there's no other line of symmetry that can bisect this rectangle into two equal parts. So a rectangle has, let's count, 1, 2, 3, and 4. A rectangle has 4 lines of symmetry. Now, for me to know you are following, how many lines of symmetry do you think a circle has? If you know it, drop your answer in the comments. So I won't tell you the answer to this. Just drop your answer in the comments, right? Now you know the concept of line of symmetry. So let's solve the problem we have here. Good. Now, here's the diagram. I just duplicated it, right? Now, we are asked to find the value of x, right? The value of x. In this diagram, here's the x, this is the first x, and this is the second x, but they are still the same thing. Any value you have for this is not the same thing as what? As this, right? Since we know that line of symmetry bisects a shape into two equal parts, that's this part must be equal to this part. It simply means that if this angle is 2x, this angle also would be 2x. So I will just write it 2x. And if this angle is 3x, then this angle also would be 3x, right? Good. Next, let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this polygon has 6 sides. Simply means it's an hexagon, right? Next, we need to find the sum of angle in this polygon, sum of interior angle of this polygon. And the formula that will help us find the sum of interior angle is giving us n minus 2 times 180 degree, where n represents the number of what? Sides, right? So we have 6 sides. We substitute, we then have 6 minus 2 times 180. If we further solve this, we have 4 multiplied by 180. This gives 720 degrees. So now we know the sum of angle within this polygon, the sum of interior angle, right? Next, we are going to add each of this angle and equate it to 770 degrees. We are going to start with 2x. So let's do the addition. We have 2x plus 3x plus 108 plus 3x plus 2x plus 90, right? Equal to 720 degrees. Next, we add all the letters. 2x plus 3x, 5x plus 3x, 8x plus 2x, 10x. So we have 10x plus, now you add the numbers, 108 plus 90. That gives 198 equal to 720. Next, we subtract 198 from both sides. When we do that, we have 10x equal 720 minus 198. We have 10x equal 720 minus 198 gives 522, right? So we divide both sides by 10, right? 10 cancels 10. Then we have x equal 522 divided by 10 gives 52.2. And this is the final answer, right? The question asks us to find the value of x, and the value of x is 52.2. So there's no need for you to find the value of this angle. The instruction is find the value of x, right? So it's good you always follow instruction. You might be tempted to want to find the value of this angle, but don't do that, right? Just follow the instruction that was given. I hope it is well understood. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can still drop your comments. God bless you. I wish to see you in my next video. Bye.